Hey, it's Garrick and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I make videos of modifying my Tesla Model Y, reviewing test accessories, and of course, anything tech. For this video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing the white seat covers from Basenor. Now, I'm super excited, and the reason why I'm excited is because I actually regret in ordering the black interior when I ordered my Tesla Model Y early this year. But now, Basenor sent me over these white seat covers, and that's gonna not make me feel as bad as I did before. Before we hop into the car, let me go over the Basenor white seat covers. Off the bat, it feels really nice. It feels good quality. I like the perforated look here. It's gonna actually keep our backs and our hindsight a little cooler. And then on top of that, you know, everybody talked about, hey, seat covers, what's gonna happen with the airbag, right? So on the Basenor set, which I really like, is that if you see here, there's actually a split on the sides for the side impact airbags. So that's gonna be huge because some seat covers don't have that, and with Basenor it does. But yeah, so let's get to the car, let's get this installed, and let's see how it looks. Before I add on the Basenor seat covers, the first thing I wanna do is clean my seats. I got this portable vacuum from Amazon, which plugs directly into your DC outlet. Vacuum every nook and cranny to get all the dirt, dust, and crumbs off your seat. Next, you want to use an interior cleaner. I'm using Nexet Copic Premium Cleaner. Spray and wipe any grease, sweat marks, and etc. off your seats. I'll have the links in my description below if you need any of these cleaners. Time to install the base cover of the front seats. You will replicate this process for both driver and passenger seats. First, place the base on the front seat and grab the long straps. Take the long straps and shove them between the base and the back part of the seats where it will come out on the other side. You are then to tuck the back part of the base cover between the base and the back part of the seat. After that is done, you are then to tuck the sides of the seat between the plastic and the seat itself. Now that we got the front base seat cover tucked, it's time to secure it in place. Underneath the seat, you are to unhook the OEM seat. Find the OEM straps and just push it forward and it will come off the metal bracket. You are to take the white straps and get them to the front of the seat. Be sure to have these straps go between the OEM wire harness and the seat. Now that we have the straps in the front, you are to take the white straps and run it through the buckle. Pull the straps as much as you can to secure the front base of the seat. As a reminder, there's 2 straps and 2 buckles. Don't forget to clean the back of the seats, especially if you have 2 little critters, kids. Yeah, kids. After the seat is clean and dried, it's time to install the top front seat covers. Pull the seat cover down, and when doing so, be sure to pull from the bottom of the seat cover. The bottom bolsters are wider on the bottom, making it a little more difficult to pull down. Take your time, you don't want to overstretch it. After you get the seat cover on, take your hands and rub the seat from top to bottom to be sure that the seat cover is properly on. Also, be sure the side airbag is on the correct side. You might see some wrinkles throughout the seat. Don't worry, it will go away in a couple days. You can also use a steamer to take the wrinkles out as well. To secure the seat cover, add these anchors to each of the 3 straps of the bottom of the seat cover. After you get all 3 anchors, you are to tuck them between the seats. Be sure to tuck in the seat cover as well. As you can see here, the anchors are positioned where the seat covers would not untuck themselves. Now that we got the front seats into the lock position, it's time to finalize it. There are 2 white straps, and you are to add a hook to each strap. You are now to hook the OEM seat back to the original position. Afterwards, you are to hook the white straps to secure the seat cover. Be careful when hooking the Basenor seat covers. If you miss the bracket, it will shoot back at you. After the 2 front seats are done, it's time to clean the back seats. These critters, kids, are really slobs. Time to work on the rear seats. First, we will need to take the 2 headrests out. The only tool you will need is a thin mini flathead screwdriver. You are to lift the headrest up, and when facing the rear seats, there's a little hole in the right bracket. You are to stick the flathead screwdriver in the hole and press the release button on the left bracket to release the headrest. Now it's time to add the seat cover to the rear seats. I start from the driver's side by releasing the back seat. After I get the seat cover on, I tuck the bottom of the seat cover between the seat and grab it to the back. Pull it through the back so you can attach the seat cover together, which is held by using Velcro. After you get that done, you are to zipper it together. For the center armrest, it gets a little harder due to the small amount of space you have. You are to put the cover over the armrest, and after you get into position, you are to tuck the bottom underneath the armrest and pull it through from the top. As soon as you get it through, you are to close it up together by using Velcro. The rear center headrest is pretty simple. Lift the headrest up and add the cover. From the trunk, apply the Velcro, and that's it, you're done. This is probably the hardest thing to add. Sorry, I mean, it's the easiest thing to add. Literally, it's held by Velcro to the back of the rear center seat. For this little cover, all you have to do is tuck it on each side of the seat. Really simple. The last part of the rear seat is the same process as the other one. After that is done, you are to add the cover on the headrest. This is quick and easy. Now for the rear bench. You are to pull up on the rear bench and wiggle it out, but be careful not to pull it too hard. There are wires connected to the rear bench for the rear heated seats. You can either disconnect the wires or you can work around them. I decided to work around them. Place the cover over the bench and run the white straps through the buckles. There are a total of 3 buckles. After you securely tighten the straps to the buckles, there are 2 straps, one on each side. Add the hooks and hook them to the seat bench. After that is done, slowly wiggle the bench back into the car and push down to securely put the bench back into its place. Here are my final thoughts on the Basenor seat covers. Wow, this came out amazing. If you regret in not getting the white seat covers from the beginning, you can always add these seat covers from Basenor. I am shocked on the quality and how it feels. I really do like the perforation in the seat covers, and I wish that the OEM seats had them as well. Not only did I upgrade the looks, I am also protecting my OEM seats at the same time. If you're interested in getting a set, you can use my discount code GARRICK-ish to save some money. I will have the link and my code in the description below. You can also use my discount code on any of their accessories as well. If you have any questions or if you want me to review anything, please leave a comment below. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like the video. If you're a subscriber, thank you for your support. If you're not, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of the future videos and giveaways. Thank you again, be safe, and I'll catch you all on the road.